Hello fellow weebs, welcome back to Teardown. This time I want to see if Godzilla can survive a fire tornado. Let's go, let's spawn him in. Let's just spawn him in. Let's drop him up, drop him. And go. Go. Attack. Fire tornado. Why aren't you attacking? See, the fire tornado is really good at controlling people. Like thunder. Burn him. Kill him. Attack him. Oh, go out. Like, I don't know if I'm controlling or not. Feels like I am. Go on, hit him. Burn. Burn the Godzilla. Oh, we did it. Yeah. Come on. Okay then. Oh, so I can control it. Okay guys. I think we can confirm that Godzilla can't survive it. But I think the fire tornado only works when I'm controlling it. But anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Goodbye.